Welcome to a brand new episode of Hum Tum Aur AI. We are delighted to welcome Mr. Arun Boyal, Director at Arihan Connect Private Limited. Good evening, sir. It's a pleasure to have you with us. How are you doing today?
Good, Rick. It's my pleasure to have on this platform. Thanks for the party.
So let's begin with the questionnaire and explore some key topics in our conversation. How is your company preparing employees for a future shaped by AI? And what steps are being taken to ensure they have the skills and support needed to adapt and thrive in this evolving landscape?
First of all, this is really a good topic which you choose in Hansum and AI. So, in particular, AI, respect to AI, with respect to our employees, but they can use it where. So, we should have infrastructure first of all in place, and then I need to use that infrastructure. They should have a skill set. So, we should give a proper trainings to use the infrastructure with respect to AI, and they should have the balanced knowledge, like when it comes like in benefit to us, at the same time it comes to threatening to us as well. So balances should be there so that they can know the advantage as well as disadvantage of the AI.
Okay, that's great, sir. I agreed with your point. Like they should have a keep a balance between infrastructure and another industry's other part. Like if employees working in an organization, so they should be keep like stability, like how they work and how you want to sort the problems and everything. You know. In your perspective, does the rise of AI present more of an opportunity or a challenge for the younger generation, like entering the workforce, and how do you see it shaping their career paths in the years to come?
Okay, so during our childhood, I read the topics science is boon or bane. Now the topic comes like AI is boon or threatening to you. So definitely it's a mixed combination. It's a boon as well. When we are seeking for the age group of 80s and 90s, for millennials we can say 10. So it's a boon definitely. And when we are talking about the Gen Z and Gen Z Alpha generation, so it's a kind of 30 for use as well. So we cannot say like this in both ways. It's a boon or threatening, but yes, we have to use the combination of AI, and at the same time we had to save our youths to using only dependent on the AI is a threat for us. So they should use their own minds as well. They should have a emotional connect data so that they can use the AI for the facts and figures and data and logs, and at the same time they have to use their own mind to process it from their own level rather than only depends the AI. Because AI also again depends on the facts and figure which we have posted on the social media. Okay, might be they have the cross checking, might be not, I don't know. But that should be setting if we are not applying our own mind, so it becomes a setting for us. At the same time, we have to utilize them. There is a boon. So I should say it's both ways.
Okay, that's so like insightful. Like it's a boon. Like it's so good to know. Like it's everywhere is there is AI, everybody using it, and they the most of the benefit. So, how critical is the collaboration between humans and AI in your industry? And could you share a specific example where this synergy has created significant value to innovation?
We are belonging from the electrical industry. Okay, and we connect a lot with our customers. So while connecting with our customers and handling them well, definitely AI works a lot with respect to inquiries, with respect to quotation sharing, with respect to payments, reminders. Then I actually whatever the campaign management. Okay, so all these things can be very well operated with the help of AI, so that actually customers should feel they are in a very good hands. Okay, and at the same time, when we are taking employees, okay, once the things are carried by the AI or the automations which the system is carrying on, the same time the human connects will add on there. So let's say I'm just giving the example. When we are sharing the quotations to the customer through the help of system, at the same time what is happening, emotion connect should be there. So the human being should consult with them, then they are going to understand like what the uh, uh, what the things are holding them back, okay, and what how we can better serve them. We understand whatever the perspective we can get the better pricing, delivery cost, technical parameters, whatever the things are there. So that definitely should be handled through human beings. So one thing can be handled through the AI, and the second thing should be handled by the human. When we are saying the killing combination, like both is going to happening at the same moment, it the efficiency of the things will become very high. And from that point of view, I can say like it's an boon for our industry in electrical industry, we can say.
Okay. It's so true. Like they go hand in hand, like human and AI. The way human does everything, like hear, see, and everything, like AI also does. When you record a session or when you say use a voice search, so it can always translate everything at once, and then it helps us to remove the errors on also from the documentation of any documents. It can also remove the errors also. How has the integration of AI influenced innovation within your organization, and in what ways has it transformed your approach to developing new products, services, or strategies?
Okay, so then we are talking about the innovations with respect to our industry in the with the help of AI. It definitely improves a lot. Saying innovations in our industry, what is happening like whatever the data is, whatever new products are coming, new projects are coming. At the same time, new research and developments are going in our industry. So definitely, we are getting help from the AI so that we can correlate ourselves with the new happenings in the industry, and we can improve ourselves and give the solutions better with respect to the customer's requirement. So that definitely helps us to improve ourselves and better serve to our customer, because every customer now demands a latest technology, latest tools, tackles, latest efficiency. So how we can approach them? Okay, so that will help us a lot to understand their requirements with the help of new developments going on in the industry, and we can approach them to give them the feedback. Yes, this is the new things happening in the industry, and it works a lot to them. And then actually they are they can feel yes they are in a good hands where the technology is handling them.
That's great. Thank you so much, sir, for such an insightful and engaging conversation. It has been a privilege to learn from the extensive experience and inspiring journey. And certain our audience will benefit greatly from the valuable perspectives you have shared today.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.